because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Both cars are ready to go. I mean, his car is 99% done. I still have about 80% done with the car. We're about to just head out to Willow Springs. We have to stop to get diesel for my truck and race gas for both cars, but we're making good progress. We should be there. They said about 5. Right now it's 3:20, so we have plenty of time. Unless this guy's slow ass truck keeps me behind.
Hemi, dude.
It's not diesel though. And Mochi, hey, he's not happy. Come on, man, we have to go to the track. Quit bullshitting.
Let's roll.
So luckily, there's a BP station that sells you the drums close to the shop, so I don't have to like drive all the way to Long Beach anymore. But they're super expensive. That was $210 for 10 gallons. But this car needs it. Without this gas, this car wouldn't be shit pretty much. Yeah. But I got some free stickers. Update. We're about, I say, 40 minutes away from Port Steve. And I was just in my head thinking, I'm like, oh look, cool, I have a trailer now, I have a truck, I have a race car in the back. And I remembered, I forgot my fucking helmet. So yo, can't make this shit up. Literally, not even the first lap, I was about to like hit this little turn to warm up the tires and something broke. Not sure what it is. It might be a stub shaft, hopefully, but it literally just does this. So I put it in gear and so it's not doing shit. Yeah, 6 start. Alright, not even the first lap out. Already broken axle. You see this thing spinning and the inside's not. So I got a spare from Mac. So I happen to be prepared more than me. So we're gonna swap it, hopefully it works right, and then air up the tires and we should be good. So let's hope.
This video is stupid. This video is stupid and John is stupid. Give me my spark plug. Don't get it twisted, we're not friends. Alright?
Yo, I see a 2. He gave me a 2. Thank you so much.
I tried to do a third gear and transmission number 9.
You can't see it, huh?
Andy! So day's over. Broke second gear, broke third gear, broke an axle. Car still runs. I'm just gonna load it up and save it for another day. Definitely need to upgrade that shit. I'm tired of it breaking, but had a lot of fun. Sorry. So loaded up, ready to go home and go shower, get some hot ass soup in me, probably get some fall ramen. We haven't had ramen in a while. Get some ramen and then put Mochi to sleep. Alright, you've been crazy today. You gotta go to sleep now. But yeah, 2-hour drive, go back home, unload everything and go to sleep because I haven't slept in a couple days. Still one piece. We just made it back to Long Beach, so I'm just gonna unload the car real quick and drop the trailer off and then go to eat. Cause the boy got burned today. I still have a set of tires left, so I still have one pair for next event. And these are like, they're not too bad, they're alright. And I still have another whole like 5 gallon C16 left, so it just means that as soon as I fix the transmission, I can just hit any event I want pretty much. I have tires and fuel left. But today was crazy. I never thought I would get to drive with Tomoya, which was like really sick. Super respectful guy. He could have like really ran me over because he can drive way better than me, but he kept his distance like enough to be cool while driving. Other than that, I mean, I had issues with the car at first when we were trying to do the competition, which is my fault for not checking, but my front tires were at 47 PSI. So every time I was trying to catch up to the guys, I would basically like oversteer really hard and almost go straight through them. So I changed that afterwards, like for just like the fun runs, back to 25 PSI in the front, and the car was like just working flawlessly after that. The rear, I ended up trying 35 PSI It felt way too loose. Went on a 30, still didn't feel that great. Went to 25 was all right. Then I put it at 20, and at 20 the car was just eating it. It was just smoking like hell and just moving forward like crazy. So I mean, it was just like I didn't get to try the car out during practice because I broke the axle, and to find a T2 axle would took me forever. So I lost the whole practice time to actually like dial the car in and just went straight into competition, which is like really bad. I shouldn't have done that, but still had fun. I mean, there's always next time. Actually planning on doing the one in USA Air because I'm hooked now. That event's really sick. So now I just gotta actually finish the car right, like do the definitely gonna get the 1,000 horsepower axles that her has, get a set of those. Transmission, I had to put a different transmission on. I'm tired of the T2s braking all the time. Power steering, I need to have the electric power steering, and that's about it. I had a little overheating issue, and it's because my fan really went out, so I just hot wired it, but ran perfect. Didn't get hot because it was like after I fixed that, and I mean it still runs fucking really good. So all I have to do is just fix everything behind the engine, and possibly I want to put a new turbo on there. I think it's been on there forever, just getting beat on. So new turbo, retune, put it back to like high 500s with a better transmission, and keep driving so I can keep progressing my driving.
Yeah, because my car's broken. It ain't gonna fucking run for months. That's why I did that shit.